Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Activating your new Audible membership in 2025 is now simpler than ever, designed for a smooth start to your listening journey. This updated process ensures you can begin enjoying your favorite audiobooks with just a few straightforward clicks. We will guide you through each essential step, making sure your setup is complete and correct from the very beginning. Get ready to dive into a world of incredible stories and knowledge effortlessly in just moments. Your Audible membership seamlessly links with your existing Amazon account, making management incredibly convenient. If you do not currently have an Amazon account, creating a new, free one is a quick and easy process, taking just a few minutes. This crucial connection ensures all your audiobook purchases, credits, and listening history are securely centralized and accessible in one place. It truly streamlines your digital content experience efficiently. Carefully verify your chosen Audible membership plan details displayed on the confirmation page before proceeding. Take a moment to review the included monthly credits and any special trial period information, ensuring it aligns with your expectations. Then, simply input your preferred payment method securely to finalize and complete the activation process. This step is vital for uninterrupted access to your audiobooks. Once your membership is active, your very first Audible credit becomes immediately available for use. This exciting moment lets you choose from thousands of captivating titles spanning every genre imaginable, from thrillers to educational content. Simply browse the extensive library and click Add to Library to download your chosen audiobook instantly, beginning your journey right away. Your next great listen awaits. To truly immerse yourself, download the free Audible app onto your preferred device, whether it is a smartphone or tablet, for seamless listening anytime, anywhere. All your new audiobooks sync effortlessly across all your devices, letting you pick up right where you left off, even if you switch. Remember, the Audible Help Center is always available to assist you with any questions or to explore advanced features fully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.